Go ahead, push. You want the noise on, huh? Go on. Push. Push. Go on. Good job. Oops, almost. You want to try again? Or you don't want to do it anymore? It's okay. It's not going to hurt you. Don't be scared. It's okay. Oh, wow. You're pulling me. Into where? Into the office. Okay. Wow. Okay, okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. Oh, my God. It's okay. Yeah, it's still out there. What are you going to do? Come on, Mama's got to finish. Mommy has to finish vacuuming. Really? It's okay. No, baby. Oh my God. Don't pull me. I know you're trying to rescue me from the evil vacuum. Whoa. Okay, okay.